It's not easy being you. They act like they know what you've been through. You make it look easy, all you do. Living like you got something to prove. Girl, I know the truth. We think the same, yeah. I feel your pain, yeah. We don't complain, cause we know we got a ball. But it's not easy. I know she feel me, won't sweat her. I pick her up, I go get her. She met the real me, I let her. She hold me down like Coretta. She'll never drown, I won't let her. When she around, she my sweater. She want me up and that's enough to make me never regret it. No, no. I make it so easy to love me. You're the same girl, you make me feel so lucky. Trust me, you won't need to claim anyone but me. With all the games they play, it could get ugly. But I know it's not easy being you. They act like they know what you've been through. You make it look easy, all you do. Living like you got something to prove. Girl, I know the truth. We think the same, yeah. I feel your pain, yeah.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a monthly reset. To be honest with you guys, like I already tried to do a monthly reset last week because we are in February. I'm filming this in February and I was supposed to do that in the beginning of February. Life happened and all that, so I didn't even get to continue. I just had to stop. Right now I'm feeling motivated to clear things out and everything because it's kind of affecting my mental space. I just had to be honest about that. So I wrote down a couple of things that I have to do today. I have to wash my sheets and then my clothes, obviously, and I have to declutter. Guys, my sheets are so like over it. They are over me because like I've gotten so many breakouts, and this is the first time I've used my sheets for more than 2 weeks, which is gross, but I'm going to fix that today. So I have to wash the sheets, I have to wash my clothes, I have to declutter my room, I have to wash my makeup brushes, I have to scrub and clean my bathroom, and I have to do shopping, yes, which I'm not sure I'll be able to do today. I mostly take about a week to do my monthly reset because now I'm trying to take my time. I'm trying to slow down. I don't want to rush. I'm that kind of person who would start something today and want to finish today. I still have that, but I mean, it doesn't hurt to like take your time and finish when you can. I just hope this video motivates you to also, clear up your space and feel productive. I also left these, like, you can tell how disoriented I have been.
thinking about you. I want my legs wrapped all around you, trying to maintain my composure. Want you to come over, swallowing my pride. That's what I feel inside. Just what are you doing to me? We said we take it slow, but I just want to let go. Just need to let me know if you don't want no clothes. We can go with the flow, see. Want you to control me. Find it harder to breathe. Feeling weak in my knees. Hope you see what I see. Cause I'm usually not the one to fall. You caught me by surprise. Now I'm drifting into heaven, aka your bedroom eyes. Wishing you.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Inside, look at me, I'm hypnotized. Can't tell the future, but I see my future deep in your eyes. Don't tell me what you want, I see the answer deep in your eyes. Just save your breath for me and look at me with bedroom eyes. If you wanna leave with me, just hit me with those bedroom eyes. Can't tell the future, but I see my future deep in your eyes. Don't tell me what you want, I see the answer deep in your eyes. Just save your breath.
So as you can tell, I have kind of emptied this side out. This side of my wardrobe is totally fine. Like, I think I might have to, just readjust a few things here and there, but it's totally, I think it's okay. I keep my provisions here and a few other miscellaneous things that I use once in a while.
Lights up. I'm looking at my phone, contemplating if I make this damn call. Is it just so I can bone or I can't be alone? But a choice needs to be made quick, cause these spliffs got a nigga fucked up, though it's all good. Beast feeling like I'm always so misunderstood, until I get a knock at my door like, well shit, I would've never thought it'd be you. You smell like a bar and you stumble on my floor, but goddamn girl, you still looking tight cute. Simmer down for a minute, it's just you and me. Let me hit them into scars, set your mind at ease. Put my lips on your shoulder, work my way down, tongue shots like a sniper cause I aim to please. Now you wear the clothes you were born in, feeling like a drug addict cause I want it. Maybe I'm just trying to feel something. I'm not for real though, so why I keep frontin'? Couple shots of Jack, a little swig of Henny going in me. Keep it even, never take advantage, hoping you can handle it. When my rain pours, can you stand in it? Break your body down like Jenga, then reassemble it. Trenching deeper in your aquafina, cause when my pole lands, I'm trying to make it spring. On that sound of music shit, girl, I wanna hear you sing. Or at least I could try on my dick, I won't lie. So as I dig in, I take a breath for a second, cause I'm not trying to route wreck it for a strange reason. And then you said it, you put that 4-letter word in a 3-word sentence.
Can't tell the future, but I see my future deep in your eyes. Don't tell me what you want, I see the answer deep in your eyes. Just save your breath for me and look at me with bedroom eyes. If you wanna leave with me, just hit me with those bedroom eyes. Can't tell the future, but I see my future deep in your eyes. Don't tell me what you want, I see the answer deep in your eyes. Just save your breath for me and look at me with bedroom eyes. If you wanna leave with me, just hit me with those bedroom eyes.
The rain falls in the nighttime, body hugged up against mine. Heart screaming, you should tell her how you really feel. But I keep my lips zipped like a lock seal. Another round as we tussle in the moonlight. Fingers intertwined, gotta hold back before I spread life on these walls you've been blessed with. Feeling tight as it feels right, as I look into your eyes.
I'm floating in and out of reality. My heart is pounding. What you do to me is astounding. I'm hooked, one look from you and I feel like I'm in the sky, lost inside your dreamy eyes, thinking you're my type of guy. You see what you do
Everybody just bounce, bounce. Check it out. Everybody just bounce, bounce.
Cause the love it ain't the same, and you keep on playing games like you know I'm here to stay. Just like the countdown commercial lights. Really gotta get up out of here and go somewhere. Gotta be that cool for somebody who appreciates all the love I give. Boy, I gotta do what's best for me, baby, and that means I gotta. By the time you get this message, it's gonna be too late. So don't bother begging me, cause I'll be on my way. Say goodbye, all my diamonds are cold. Just like your mama, she knows. You're gonna miss me, baby. Hate to say I've told you so. Well, at first I didn't know, but now it's clear to me. You were cheap with all your freaks and like I'm messing me. So packed up my Louis Vuitton, jumped in your round and to go. You'll never ever find a girl who loves you more than me. Cause the love it ain't the same, and you keep on playing games like you know I'm here to stay. Just like the countdown commercial light. Really gotta get up out of here and go somewhere. Gotta be that move for somebody who appreciates all the love I give. Boy, I gotta do what's best for me, baby, and that means I gotta.
What's going on? Is your man in a hurry? Well, I can see from afar he ain't treating you right. And I just wanna say, oh, girl, you deserve much better. Age like cheddar, so complex. I'll make you mine on a come up, baby. Just to let you know I'm free every Wednesday when you meet all your girlies on the streets. I know you sleep with many other guys. I don't give a damn about them. I will pull you out the streets if your boy don't make no dollar. What good is he to you, babe? You say lately you've been on the late shifts. I promise you don't like.
I use tissues a lot. More tissue. And I got a new toothbrush. Staircase, some soap, but let's change 3 wipes because I need it. A lamp.